Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys missed me. Anyways, guys, in this video, I will be doing a review. So I want you guys to look at how my lashes look now, right? So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys, you girls, you ladies, how to finesse, okay? How to get them lashes looking like, you know, longer than they already are. So guys, this product that I'm about to show you guys that I've been using, I've used it before, and let me tell you guys, it's good. It's really good. It's pretty good. Like, the only thing is when you wash it off, you have to really wash it because it starts coming off like little lashes coming off. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. If I'm taking it off, I'm gonna wash it off and show you guys. But anyways, without further ado, are you guys ready? Thrive Cosmetics. So guys, I saw this on Instagram one day when I was just so happy to be scrolling and talking about growing my lashes. And you know how the phone listens to you and then you see what you were just talking about? Yeah. So this is where this comes in. And as you can see on the back, this is what it shows, how your lashes should look. So, I'm not gonna lie, at first when I first saw it, I was a little skeptical because I'm like, how is that possible, you know? But I tried it, and now I'm gonna try it in front of you guys, so you guys can be a judge of it. So anyways, this is what it looks like. It came in a, when you get it, it comes in a bag, like a big cosmetic bag. But I don't know where it's at, so I'm not even gonna show you guys. But yeah, like I said, I saw this on Instagram. I believe they have a website if you want to look at it. I'm gonna search it and put it in the description. But this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my lashes to show y'all what it looks like. I've also been growing my lashes. I have a video coming up with that, with how I did that. Let me just put it another time. I need that thing to be out there, you know? I want you guys to see, like, so guys, as you can see, do you guys see the difference? Like, I don't know if you guys see it. I see it. Do you guys see it? Like, let me turn sideways so you guys can see. Do you guys see the difference? Like, I'm in love with this. Look, I'm trying to make it focus. Guys, look. I'm not gonna lie, I've been growing my lashes, but guys, what? Let me go ahead and put it on the other side as well. Guys, this is what it looks like when I'm done. Oh my god. I don't know, like, I just love it. I love it. Like, I don't know. it gives this look to it. Like, guys, no mascara has ever made my eyes look like this. No mascara that I've tried before. None of them make my eyes look like this. Like, my eyes don't look wonderful. Look on them. What? Hold on. Guys, I know y'all see this. Again, it's called Strives Cosmetics. I got it from, it was on Instagram. You guys can go ahead and look it up. Give me 1 second. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys see. Like, let me just blink in slow motion. Hold on. Alright guys, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you're washing it off, because it looks like lashes coming out. So let me go ahead and show you guys how it looks when you wash it off. Well, as you guys can see, when you start washing it out, you get these little things on there. You really have to wash it too, because there will still be some stuff on there. Like, look. This is the only thing that I don't like. Like, this is the only thing. When it comes off, it's like this. But I mean, for some nice lashes, why not, right? Like, I like make lashes, but I don't like laying down for a whole hour to get it done. I'd rather just grow my own lashes out, make my own lashes, you know? I'm like one of them girls that be crying in the movie and their mascara just be running on it. Yeah, I'm the actress. I would have asked somebody because I don't know about me. I almost flipped the camera the other way. Let me just wash this side out. And there you go. I think it's all the way, right? And this is how my lashes look now. Anyways, guys, let me just go ahead and let me just dry my face off, because I'm not about to talk to y'all with my face looking like this. Hold on a second. Oh my gosh, my eyebrows look awful. Jeez. Anyways, guys. I need some more. My lip gloss gotta be popping, you know? It's not popping. Okay, I think it's popping now. Alright guys, anyways. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, like and subscribe, guys. I'm trying to do more videos for y'all because I haven't been posting like that. I'm sorry. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe, guys. Join the family. You know you want to. You know you love me. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day.